We're back, motherfuckers. And I want you to notice. I want you to notice a sharp increase in quality, motherfucker. When we back. Oh shit. So just a preference. I haven't played this for like 2 weeks. So I'm about to get my ass handed to me. So we might go back a few levels. You know? Alright. Okay. Jump. Okay. We're in it. We're fucking in it. And there's still food in the cave or whatever. I do remember that. But there's some... there's some damn... I don't know, there's some shit going on. I gotta refresh myself. Last episode it was those monkey things or whatever. Oh shit. This motherfucker. Okay. Oh wow. It's like that. You can't climb faster than me. This is the only thing I'm good at. Oh shit. Wow. Wow. Okay, we're already in it. I'm astonished. So I did go for a run before this, so my throat is a little bit scratchy. And you want me to go this way, my guy. Oh, that is fucking something, huh? And what are y'all rushing for? Where are y'all trying to go? Oh, y'all are just fucking each other up. Okay. I understand. I understand. I understand completely. And I'm gonna go this way. While you guys aren't chasing me. Huh? Why is it playing the music like they're fucking chasing me? What did I do? Y'all niggas were scrapping. I wasn't even playing with y'all. Y'all can stay down there and mix all y'all want. I'm in it for the long run. Oh, that bull. Come here. I could fuck you up. Okay. I completely butchered that. Let me go back in there. And whoop. Okay. Nah. I need him to come back. How do I get back up there? And this is the area the guy, the little, my little guide is talking about. If I remember correctly, this is where the bug niggers were. So I got enough to hibernate. Oh, shit. Bitch. Oh, no, I threw that the wrong way. Well, I got enough to live. I don't know what the game is wanting, so I'm going to explore for a little bit and then go back to the shelter so I don't get rained on. And I still don't know what those things do. I have no fucking idea. And I'm not gonna look up like any tutorial or anything. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Cause you know what? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna play it safe for tonight. And see what happens. Oh shit. Oh. Just you. So what are you wanting from me? Good. Okay. Damn. I think I can make that. I definitely cannot. Okay. I'll go the other way. And what do you want to do, bro? Don't even look at me unless you... Food. There's a blue one now? What do you want? Tell me something. Where'd my yellow one go? You're different, buddy. What are you guys trying to tell me, then? I will never know. The trippy shrooms that I have to make sure not to eat. Let's hope these assholes aren't still here. And let's see if I can... No. I was never gonna hit that. Did one eat the other? They can't die, right? And what is that? Wow, wow. Alright, go to sleep, buddy. Okay. Fuck it, we ball. What does that mean? Sorry. Sorry. Cycle 7. What? You're showing me calamity, bruh. What do you want me to do about it? Oh, shit. I wanted double spears. Come here. I can't have double spears? Or is it just stuck into the ground? And what is that noise? It sounds like a... I don't know, it's like a whirring. What is that? Okay. Oh, shit. Figure out what you want to do, man. And you want to come this way, don't you? Okay. We'll workshop it. Nah. Let's see what this guy wants to do first. Huh? What's the plan, bro? You want to do things the hard way. Help me understand. Oh, shit. Bitch. Bitch. Where is he at? Oh. He must have went down below. Really? Really? Yeah, stay stuck down there, dickhead. Oh, you saw the front flip? Yo, play that back. That shit was crazy. I'm out. Bitch ass. Come here. Come here. Come here. That was delicious. I'm just trying to figure out what they want from me, bruh. What do they want me to do here? I don't have whatever that is. And I don't know whatever that is. Don't mind that. That was scary as fuck. This game. Bitch ass. Oh. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Really? Oh, he just smacked one. Okay. Okay, thank you. We do that. Thank you. Oh shit. So I assume I think the blue things are things that bitch. What are you doing? Woo! 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 Stop it. Fucking stop it. You are doing too much. Sit the fuck down somewhere. Just let me do what I need to do. So maybe those blue things are things that I can, like, kill sometimes? And I wish they had another base around here. What? I'm gonna grip your ass the fuck up. Huh? Bitch. You know what? I'm not gonna fuck with that thing. I'm already full. And I'm kind of scared of it. So, fuck it, we ball. We out. I'm fed. What more do I need? My family. That's what I need. Damn, boy. Nope. All right, let's try that again. All right, we back. Don't mess with me. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Oh yeah, those things could definitely kill my ass. Oh, for sure. Yeah, no, that thing will not hesitate to clap me. You must be hungry, dude! Whew. We do this. I do this. The fuck? Oh, bats. Thank fuck. Thank fuck. It's just bats, bruh. I have to make that jump again, don't I? Or do this little... Okay. Fuck it, we ball. I'm going back to the crib. Give me that. Oh, shit. Don't tell me you can hear my heartbeat. Alright. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. That scared the shit out of me. Alright, go to bed, boy. We do this. We do this. There's like food everywhere now. I feel like in the beginning there was no food anywhere. The survivor. Passage. This land has become your home. Fast travel to any discovered shelter, recovering all karma. I feel like that means I haven't made it far enough. My thing is, how do I challenge those monkey fuckers? And does that mean is like this is as hard as it gets? Well, I assume I could go further in past those monkey fuckers and then, you know, and then. Because I saw those monkey dudes completely trash one of these pink guys last episode. So there's no way, I could take them. And they were throwing fucking spears. So that makes it even worse. Okay. Really? Bitch ass. Bitch ass. Oh, they gave it back. Come on, buddy. Show me what you're about. Bitch. 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 Bye. Oh, shit. Bitch. 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 I'm gone. I'm fucking gone. Bro, I don't know if it's these noises in the background of this game or what. And all it's going to take is one of you motherfuckers in the comments to be like, there is no background sounds that would be around, you know? No, fuck you. And shit. Shit like that. What the fuck? I want to, yeah. I think, is this the way I went down last time? And there goes that pussy again. Come down here, you bitch ass nigga. Watch what happened. I'm armed to the fucking teeth right now. Bitch. I'm full. Today is a good day. Oh. That is where a player gets fucked up. Right there. Let's go. That thing. That thing! Oh! Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Good. Seems I can only pick up one spear. The fuck was that? Oh! Oh! come on, dude. Oh yeah, you fuck him up. I'm gonna go right through. I know you saw that shit. Peep the move. I do this. That was not the right way. I have to go back up here, don't I? With this asshole. Word? Is he dead just like that? Yo. Another one, of course. And I hear his ass coming up here. Bitch. Get up. Bitch. Get the fuck out of here. What is this red shit, bruh? I don't particularly fuck with any of that. And we're back here. Oh yeah. Okay. Moving. Oh yeah, I remember these. Oh yeah. Somebody's about to get fucked up. I'm going straight to the monkeys. Fuck all that. I need a new place to hibernate. Come here. Oh shit! Bitch! Okay. Monkeys. Oh shit. Bitch. Oh no! Oh no! Do they not mix each other? They're affiliated. Oh! What? It took one spear? That was so fucking anticlimactic. And I lost my passage. It reset the whole fucking thing. Oh. Oh, did it not? Oh, I think I just used it. I have no idea what this did. Outskirt. Oh. Okay, I'm stupid. I'm fucking stupid. I wasted it. I've ruined it. Give me. You're dead to me. So I gotta find a way past those fucking monkey buffoonery motherfuckers. I'm gonna whoop that ass. That's my way past. I'm gonna whoop that ass. There's probably no way I could kill them either, probably. Probably twice. 3 times. But I'm a damn sure try. Oh shit. Fuck. I forgot I had to. Wow, so they're up there mixing. I think the colors just mean if they're in there. ain't nothing but bats. Welcome to the party, buddy. You ain't chasing me. 'Cause you can't fucking touch me. What are these? Do they provide sustenance? Or... Huh? I don't understand. And I'm going up here. God knows I'm not playing with them. Okay. But it looks like I'm playing with him. Why is it like playing that fucking music? I'm not getting chased. I can't even fucking see over there. Alright, asshole. He better not turn around. That's all I got to say about that. I don't want to hear a single motherfucking dun 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 dun. Cause I'm hitting his ass with this shit. Yeah. That's what I thought. You ain't catching nobody, boy. Calm the fuck down. Give me that. I stay equipped. Let's see if this little thingamajig is what I needed for this. Because if the goal is to devour as many of those flowers as I can. See that? You see how it highlights? So, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Why that sound like Five Nights at Freddy's doors, bruh? Oh shit. Industrial complex. Relax, bro. That motherfucker was seasoned out. Those look like enemies. Yup. Huh? What does that mean? You mean you're edible now? The fuck does that mean? And how do I get down there to that fucking... Okay. Okay. Fuck it, we ball. I'm setting my spawn right now. Woo! New area, motherfucker. Industrial. Industrial. Ah. The Wanderer. Wake up. It's the first of the month. Get up, get up, get up. Okay, he's closed again. Are these enemies? I can't tell. Okay. Well, he's fucked up now. We do it big. There's the food. Mink. Mink. So there's got to be a way to like upgrade this guy, right? Or is he just forever this weak? Okay. Oh, shit. That doesn't look fun. I don't even care about his little bitch ass. He'll be alright. This seems like... Okay. Oh, come here, buddy. Okay, just unlock some new spots. That just sounds fine. Even though I'm gonna be, pretty hungry by the time this one blows over. Good job, buddy. The Saint? That's 2 trees. So where is this? Yo, who the fuck built these? Who built these, like, you know, on purpose? Just said, this is a compartment for slugs. Did slugs build this for slugs? Like, what the fuck? Okay. Didn't mean to fall down there. Talking shit. Oh! Oh! Oh, this looks fun. What's here? There's no exit from here. What the fuck is here? Yeah, no. Absolutely not. Not when I have no reason to be there. No. No fucking way. There's some bats. What is that? Oh! There's no fucking way. There's no way. Is that killable? Yeah, no, there's no fucking way you're squeezing through this tiny ass vent, you piece of shit. The music go hard. Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, wow. Breather. Go back in. Huh? What are you trying to say? You know, green means good. So whatever you just pointed at, Mr. Tutorial Guy, I hope it's fucking great. Because I haven't seen a green anything yet. And where is this asshole? Okay. There's a pinky. I hear him. Where is he? Nobody cares about your ass. Not now, especially. Are you gonna try and drop down on me? You're a bitch. I don't understand. And I fell. Okay, he's coming for me. Okay. Left him in the dust. Just where is that other motherfucker? Okay. Okay. Let's, no. Absolutely not. Uh, fuck it. I'd rather go this way than deal with that motherfucker back there. You two can fight. Wait, that's a red one. Is that the same color? Oh. You. Hey, buddy. You just do your thing and I'll do mine. A pearl? I have a pearl now. The fuck does a pearl do? And what do I need the mushrooms for? I feel like these are all relevant questions. Let's just see what the pearl does. Is that a grenade? That's a fucking landmine. Okay. How do we get out of this one? Buddy. How do we... Oh, I can pick it up. Thank fuck. And where did Mr. Green go? What would you rather, asshole? Okay. There's somebody. Oh. No! My heart. My fucking heart. The bats are harassing that fucking plant. That, you know, you're warning me of something. But I just got some food, so I'm gonna just have to chill out for a bit. Let's see what's... Oh, just you. This I can handle. Everything before, I cannot handle. Whatever the... What is here for me to do? And is he fucking swimming in air? What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck is that nigga doing? Oh. Oh, oh heaven. Bitch ass nigga. Where do I go? How do I... Where go? Main fucking question. Where go? I'm looking everywhere. Get up there somehow? It's not happening. I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, you were a bitch ass nigga. Help! Help me! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Okay. Fuck it, we ball. We out of there. I don't... Shelter. Shelter. Shelter, shelter. It's that time of night. Okay. Oh, fuck. 2? Yo. Bitch. Oh. That. I don't even know what that was, y'all. Just let me do what I need to do. And what I need to do is get the fuck out of here. Nope. Absolutely not. I got some prey. That works. Just eat, bro. Okay. Home. Home. Home, please. Shelter, please. And here comes the rain. Of course. No. 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 No! Fuck! Go, you damn slug! Go! That was that was stress incarnate, y'all. I'm calling it here. Yeah, I want to I want to make sure I'm not getting too ahead of myself, you know, so I don't get fucked up. All that fancy shit. Oh yeah, I'll see you. I'll see you in the next part. Fuck.